Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, I have taught you about the Bahmani Adil Shah lesson. So, in this class, I am going to explain the question and answers. So, take your notebook and write down it very neatly. Okay, shall I start? Okay, so let's see. Next one. So, first question is fill in the blanks. Yes, write down neatly. First question is fill in the blanks. Write down. First question is Bahmani dynasty was established in the year. Yes, write down answer is there. 1347 common era. Yes, 1347 common era. Okay, full stop. So second question is Kalaburgi was the capital of yes, right answer is Bahmani Sultans. Yes, Bahmani Sultans. Okay, next third question Firoz Shah set up dash city. Yes, that is Firozabad city on the banks of Bhima river. Yes, Firoz Shah set up Firozabad city on the banks of Bhima river. Full stop. Yes, fourth question, write down. Muhammad Gawan set up madrasa. Yes, Muhammad Gawan set up madrasa in the year 1461 common era. Yes, 1461 common era. Or yes, where is madrasa? Yes, that is in Bidar. Very good. Next, fifth question. Founder of Bari Shahi dynasty was. Yes, founder of Bari Shahi dynasty was. Yes, right answer Qasim Barid. Yes, Qasim Barid. Yes, he was the founder of Bari Shahi dynasty. Or okay, write fastly. Yes, sixth question is founder of Golconda's Qutub Shahi state was. Founder of Golconda's Qutub Shahi state was Quli Qutub Shah. Yes, Quli Qutub Shah. Yes. Next, seventh one is founder of Imad Shahi dynasty was. Yes, founder of Imad Shahi dynasty was. That is Fatahullah. Yes, Fatahullah. Yes, over Fatahullah. Yes. Next, second question is there. Answer in one sentence. Yes, answer in one sentence. Write very neatly, don't make any mistakes. So first question is who was the founder of Bahmani dynasty? Yes, who was the founder of Bahmani dynasty? Yes, answer the founder of the Bahmani dynasty. Yes, the founder of the Bahmani dynasty was Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah. Yes, Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah. Over. Okay. The founder of the Bahmani dynasty was Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah. Okay. So second question is, who was Muhammad Gawan? Yes. Who was Muhammad Gawan? So right answer, he was a Persian. Yes. He was a Persian who worked as a prime minister in the region of Muhammad Shah III. Yes, Muhammad Shah III. So next question, third question is, where is Solakam Mosque? Yes, where is Solakam Mosque or Masjid? Yes, Solakam is not Solakhamty, Solakam, SOLAKHAMBH. Okay, Solakam Mosque is in Bidar. Yes, Solakam Mosque is in Bidar. Spelling once again, I will tell, SOLAKHAMBH. Okay. Next, fourth question. Name the prominent person among Adil Shahi Sultans. Okay, right answer, Ibrahim Adil Shah was the great king of the Adil Shahi Sultans. Yes, over. Fine. Fifth question, what is called as Taj Mahal of South India? As Taj Mahal of South India. Yes, so tell me, where is Taj Mahal? Yes, very good, that is in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. And so write down answer, Ibrahim Roza, not Ranza. Okay, Ibrahim Roza, Roza. Yes, Ibrahim Roza yes, Ibrahim Roza is called as the Taj Mahal of South India. Yes, Ibrahim Ranza, not is that is Roza, Ibrahim Roza, Roza. Yes, Roza, Roza is called as the Taj Mahal of South India. Okay. So sixth question is, why is Gol Gumbaz famous? Yes, why is Gol Gumbaz famous? Let's write down answer. It is the fourth largest dome. It is the fourth largest dome in the world. Yes, it is the fourth largest dome. Yes, it is the sorry, it is the second largest dome. Okay, not fourth, it is a second largest dome. Yes, it is the second largest dome in the world, and first largest dome in India. Yes, so once again I will repeat it. Why is Gol Gumbaz famous? Yes, why is Gol Gumbaz famous? Yes, because it is the second largest. Yes, it is the second largest dome in the world and the first largest dome in India. Okay, don't be confused, it is the second largest dome. Okay, fine. So next one, who had Jagatguru Badshah title? Yes, who had the Jagadguru Badshah. Yes. So answer, Ibrahim Adil Shah. Ibrahim Adil Shah second had the title Jagadguru Badshah. Yes, in the textbook there is also mistake. Yes, that is they have written like who had the little Jagadguru Badshah. Yes, that is spelling mistake is there. Okay, that is title. Okay, so Ibrahim Adil Shah second had the title Jagadguru Badshah. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, so next, discuss in groups and answer. So first question is, name Muhammad Gawan's achievements. Yes, what are the achievements of Muhammad Gawan's? Okay, write down. Muhammad Gawan captured. Muhammad Gawan captured Hubli. Yes, Hubbli. Hubli, not Hubla. Okay, Hubli, Belagavi, and Goa. Yes, Hubli, Belagavi, and Goa from Vijayanagar Empire. Yes, Muhammad Gawan captured Hubli, Belagavi, and Goa from Vijayanagar Empire. Okay, next, administration was according to the Islamic laws. Yes, administration was according to the Islamic laws. Yes, to the Islamic laws. Next one, he encouraged revenue and postal service. Yes, next, he fixed taxes on the basis of land's fertility and irrigation facility. Full stop. Tax was being collected in cash only. Yes, tax was being collected in cash only. Next, he removed the taxes which were annoying the people. Yes, annoying the people. Over. Fine. Next, as a philosopher himself, he founded madrasa. Yes, he founded madrasa, that is in bracket university, in Bidar. Yes, here it is, that is in Bidar. It encouraged Islamic religion and law education. Yes, Muhammad Gawan contributed a lot in making the Bahmani kingdom great. Yes, Bahmani kingdom great. Over. Next, second question is there. Name 5 Shah dynasties. Yes, name 5 Shahi dynasties. So write down answer. The 5 Shahi dynasties are. Yes, the 5 Shahi dynasties are. Yes, first one is Adil Shahs of Vijaypur. Yes, Adil Shahs of Vijaypur, in bracket Bijapur. That is the old name of the Vijaypur. Now we call it Vijaypur. Okay. So that ruled from 1489 to 1510. Yes. Second one is Barid Shahs of Bidar. Yes, in the bracket 1489 to 1619. Yes, 1489 to 1619. Okay. Next one, Qutub Shahs of Golconda. is Qutub Shahs of Golconda. Yes, 1512 to 1687 Common Era. Yes, Qutub Shah of Golconda 1512 to 1687 Common Era. Yes, next Nizam Shahs of Ahmednagar. Nizam Shahs of Ahmednagar. Yes, so bracket 1492 1636 Common Era. 1636 Common Era. Next one is Imad Shahs of Berar. Yes, Imad Shahs of Berar. 1492 1580 Common Era. Over. Right. Next one, third question is Ibrahim Adil Shah. Ibrahim Adil Shah had religious tolerance discussed. Yes, Ibrahim Adil Shah he had religious tolerance discussed. Yes, so write down answer. Ibrahim Adil Shah second. Yes, Ibrahim Adil Shah second had a title called Jagat Guru Badshah. Yes, Jagat Guru Badshah. He was tolerant of other religions. He was tolerant of other religions. He sheltered many Hindu philosophers. Yes, he sheltered many Hindu philosophers, poets and musicians in his court. He renovated Datta temples. He renovated Datta temples in his fort. And he encouraged puja rituals. Yes, next he worked for the cultural harmony of Hindu Muslim. And also he wrote a book called Kitab-e-Navarasa. Yes, Kitab-e-Navarasa, and tried to make music popular among Muslims. Over. Fine. So last one is match the following. Yes, match the following. So in the A column, Adil Shahi. Yes, Adil Shahi, they are from Vijaypur. Yes, Adil Shahi, they are from Vijaypur. Yes, first one answer is in the B column, that is Vijaypur. Qutub Shah from Golconda. Yes, Qutub Shah from Golconda. Yes, Nizam Shahi is from Ahmednagar. Yes, Imad Shahi from Berar. Yes, Imad Shahi from Berar. Next, Barid Shahi from Bidar. Yes, Barid Shahi from Bidar. Once again, I will repeat it. Adil Shahi is from Vijaypur. Qutub Shahi from Golconda. Nizam Shahi is from Ahmednagar. And fourth one, Imad Shahi is from Berar. Last one, Barid Shahi is from Bidar. Yes. So this is over, and don't make any mistakes. Yes. So thank you for watching video. So write very neatly and be safe. Okay.